Hello everyone, I want to show you how to replace a doorbell chime. I bought the new one on Amazon. It's pretty cheap and it got nice reviews. To do this, all you need is a simple screwdriver. First thing you want to do is take that cover off. Just pull it off from the bottom. You might want to take a picture of these wires for your reference. It has front and also trans. Also, these are low voltage cables, but I'm not going to take a chance. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the power off. Next thing you want to do is loosen up those screws. Then take the screws off from the sides. Once you're done with that, gently pull the doorbell chime off the wall and it should be easy. Here's the new one. It looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now insert those wires from the back. Put the screws back on the wall. Reconnect those wires. This is where the picture that you took before will come handy. And it's done. Let's put the cover back on. Turn the power back on. And give it a try. I hope it helps.